This is Maisie. First, let's install Astra theme. To do that, hover over Appearance, then click on Theme. Here, click on Add New Theme. Type Astra in the search box. Then click Install to install Astra theme. To import demo in Astra theme, we need to install plugin Starter Templates. To install Starter Template, hover over Plugin, then click on Add New Plugin. Type Starter Templates in the search box. Click Install now. It's almost ready. Now let's check available demos. To check, go to Installed Plugin. Here, click on Get Started, and then Build with Templates. Here we have all the demos. Look around and choose one according to your need. Let's try this fitness website demo. Before continue, let's check our website for once. Our website looks like this right now. Let's click Continue to progress. It's not mandatory to fill these, but you can fill and submit if you want, and click on Submit and build my website. The demo import is now complete. Let's check our website now. For some reason, if you do not like the imported demo, you can change it anytime. Follow the same process as before. Let's import restaurant website this time. Easy as that, guys. Hope today you have learned something. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and comment. Thank you guys for watching.